I'm going to show you how to find and replace in Microsoft Word on your Mac computer. So with Microsoft Word open, I have some simple text here, how to search on a Mac. What you want to do is come to the top right hand corner here and you should see this spyglass. You want to press that, then search for the word you want to find and replace. So I'll search for Mac, and then what it'll do is highlight in yellow all the words what match. I only have one, as this is just an example, but every word that is matched will highlight in yellow like this. Once you've done that, to the left of the search box here at the very start of it, you'll see this little spyglass. Drop this down and then select replace. It'll bring you up the find and replace window. You can see we've entered the Mac in the first window. This is what you want to find. And you want to enter in the second box the word you want to replace it with. So I'll put Windows. You can replace all. So every word that matches at the top, which is Mac, will be replaced with Windows. Or you can just replace the one it's currently highlighted and then move to the next one. So if there's multiple, it'll allow you to move to the next one after you've pressed replace. So let's press replace, and as you can see, you've replaced Mac with Windows. So that's how to find and replace in Windows on your Mac computer. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.